We out here, day 19 up in this beach, and it is good vibes only on my simulation again today. Bad vibes gone. I don't know what that was, but it's pretty good. One shitty day out of 19. I think that's pretty good. It's pretty windy here. I hope you can hear me. But that's probably common life for most folks, feeling that shitty. That's kinda sad. Anyways, I don't think it was the raw chicken. How could it be raw chicken? It's another beautiful day. Anyways, the settings are back in good vibes only in my simulation. That's sick. You ever wonder how smart we could be if our brains would get the food it needs? What kind of civilization we could have right now if we would live with the natural laws? The elite freaks who made this system like this, those boys are smart AF. No wonder they celebrating on their islands, eating babies and shit. They manifested this shit perfectly for themselves. That's pretty much the reason why we can't have good things anymore. I mean, there are still many good things though, but it could be much more. Enjoy. But where the hell, common folks, I do go? Our brain would be smart as hell if we would eat right, I think. We'd be building cathedrals and shit again. Pyramids and stuff. Why do all the houses look like boring ass boxes these days? Or this weird, like shape, triangle or square shapes. Nothing looks that cool anymore, like those old cathedrals. Those were the shit. Those looked amazing. Every building would be probably like that if there was a small group of people who wanted to control everybody. And they freaking made it happen. They manifested that shit perfectly. Holy shit. They're living it up in some islands we don't even know exist. That's pretty sick. Anyway, it's so super windy here. I don't know, can you hear me? Day 19. Raw chicken done. Where did the IG go? Although would probably question my IG. How do you pronounce it? Eating raw chicken over here. gotta put yourself out there when you want to do the real science. We had some beef. A little quicker way today.